One life.
One man. The monk who changed the world of biology as we know it.
Mendelian inheritance threads are a series of laws that were created by Gregor Mendel.
Mendel was born in 1822, a time when religion ruled the world. He was a very curious Austrian monk that from the day of his birth, he was determined to find the key to the appearance of living things.
Not all experiments happen in a lab. Amazingly, most of his research was done in a garden with notebook and some ink. He spent most of his early life in the garden at his seminary.
What people didn't think is that he will end up creating these two laws.
The law of segregation is the best thing ever made. Let's take a closer look.
If we have two DNA information sets and we take half from one and half from the other, you can complete a full set of genetic information.
And there is another law, the law of independent assortment. It is basically that each parent contributes with one allele forming a pair,
which defines how the offspring will look. These laws were possible to understand from the concept of the experiment done by Gregor Mendel with 28,000 peas in a greenhouse. Gregor Mendel did an experiment where he kept track of 28,000 pea plants. When he analyzed the results, he formulated this thesis. If you have two parents, one red and one yellow, and they reproduce, there are three options. You get an orange offspring, yellow offspring, or red offspring. This is like when you have a father with brown eyes and a mother with blue eyes. It is more likely that the offspring will have brown eyes because brown eyes are dominant and blue, gray, hazel, and green eyes are recessive.
Gregor Mendel was one of the finest scientists of this era,
providing humanity with a tool to understand life and genetics in a different way.
This was Mendel's contribution to the world.
Mendelian inheritance. Anche.
Merci.
Arigato.
Grazie.
Ciao, bella.
Obrigado.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias.